All right, let's talk about something we've all probably wondered about. Can you really just sweat your way to weight loss? We're going to step into the heat today and separate the hot air from the hard facts. I mean, come on, this is the ultimate dream, isn't it? Just sit there, relax, and watch the pounds melt away. No gym, no diet, just heat. It sounds absolutely magical, but is it too good to be true? Well, before we all book a spa day, let's dig into what the science actually has to say. Okay, so first things first, let's look at the claim itself. Where does this idea even come from? What happens right after you step out of that hot room that gets everyone so excited about weight loss? And boom, here it is. This is the proof people love to talk about. One study found that men lost, on average, 1.43 pounds in a single sauna session. I mean, think about that. You step on the scale, and you're down almost 1.5 pounds. Of course you're going to think it's working. It feels like you've found a shortcut, right? Instant results. Okay, but, and this is a huge but, here's the catch. That number you see on the scale, it isn't fat. It's almost all water weight that you've just sweated out. The second you drink a glass of water, which, by the way, you absolutely have to do, that weight comes right back on. Poof, gone. So this really brings us to the most important part of this whole conversation. We have to get super clear on the difference between losing water and losing fat. They are not the same thing, not even close. Think of it like this. On one hand, you've got water loss. It's just your body's air conditioning system kicking in. You get hot, you sweat, you cool down. It's temporary. Then, on the other hand, you have actual fat loss. That's the real deal for long-term health, and it only happens when you're in a consistent calorie deficit from things like diet and exercise. Two totally different ballgames. So, does that mean saunas are useless for weight management? Is it all just a myth? No, not at all. This is where the story gets really, really interesting. The real benefits are just a bit more subtle and, honestly, way more powerful in the long run. So forget about the scale for a minute. Let's dive into what's really going on inside your body when you're in that heat and how it sets you up for success in other ways. Okay, check this out. What's actually happening is that saunas kickstart this whole chain reaction of good stuff in your body. We're talking about a boost to your metabolism, a drop in that pesky stress hormone cortisol, faster muscle recovery after a workout, better sleep, even a healthier heart. See, each one of these things helps build a stronger foundation for managing your weight. So what's the magic behind this? It's a cool scientific idea called hormetic stress. It's basically the science behind the old saying, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. You expose your body to a short, manageable stress, like the heat of a sauna, and it responds by getting tougher, more resilient, and just better at handling things. Now let's zoom in on that stress hormone, cortisol, because this one is a real game changer. High cortisol is a nightmare for weight loss. It literally tells your body to hang on to fat, especially around your belly. So when you hear that saunas can help lower cortisol, that's huge. It's like you're taking your foot off the brake, hormonally speaking. And trust me, your body isn't just chilling out in there. It is working. Your heart rate can easily climb to 150 beats per minute. That's in the same ballpark as moderate exercise, like a brisk walk. So your heart is definitely getting a workout. But, and this is the big question, how does this passive workout stack up against, an actual workout? All right, time for a little reality check. Let's put these two head to head and see what the numbers say. And yeah, the numbers don't lie. A 30-minute sauna session, you're looking at maybe 20 to 60 calories burned. A walk, over 100. A run, over 300. It's not even a competition. The difference is just massive. So here's the bottom line. A sauna is an incredible tool to add to your fitness toolbox. It's a supplement, not a substitute. It's there to help you recover and de-stress, but it's not going to do the heavy lifting of a real workout for you. Okay, so now that we know what a sauna is good for and what it's not, let's talk strategy. How do we use this tool the smart way to get all those awesome benefits we talked about? Here are 3 simple rules to follow. 1. Use the sauna after your workout. It's amazing for muscle recovery and soreness. 2. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Seriously, I can't say this enough. Drink water before, during, and after. Don't mess around with this one. And 3, be consistent. You won't get those stress-reducing, recovery-boosting benefits from just one session. Aim for a few times a week, maybe 15 to 30 minutes at a time. That's the sweet spot. You see, in the end, if we're only talking about calories, we're totally missing the point. The real magic of a sauna isn't what it burns, it's what it builds. It builds resilience, it speeds up recovery, it calms your system down.
So the question really isn't, can a sauna replace my workout? The much better question to ask yourself is this: could a sauna be the missing piece that makes my entire health and wellness plan finally click? Think about it.